Hey, if you want to change ear tips in your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, you can do this easily. First of all, in your box you have to find this tips. Additionally, we got 3 sizes: extra small, small, large, and this one is the largest. And to change it, take a look. All you have to do is just to grab this tip, just like that, squeeze and pull it towards you. It will be easily removed. The same for the second earbud. So grab this tip and pull it toward you. Next, from this box we have to pick second pair of the tips. I'm gonna use the small one because it fits my ears the best. And right now we have to do basically the same thing. So we just have to grab this tip, just like that, squeeze it a little bit, and try to put it to one of the edge, just like that. Let's do this one more time. Okay, and right now it's on our earbud. Take a look how it looks. It sticks to all the edges. And let's do the same with this one. I'm gonna actually roll out this tip just to show you the better preview. Okay, so take a look on this one. So grab it, squeeze a little bit, and try to put it like that. There we go. As you can see, that was pretty simple. And right now we can use our earbuds with the new tips. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.